So we just struck a bird in here. It's about 8 o'clock, but about 200 yards, so we're about to hurry up and get to him. Before he crosses the creek. Sounds like he might have hens with him, not sure. Y'all can hear my voice. I've been super sick with some type of viral infection, so excuse my voice. Let's ease in here and hopefully let's kill this bird. Let's go, baby. Finally got a bird down. Let's go. Alright, so that's going to be the end of this one. Got on this bird this morning, struck him about 8 o'clock, crow call. As y'all seen, we located him, headed in there, and it took him about 20 minutes. We were just doing a little bit of calling. Wasn't over calling him because I've been on this bird a few weeks ago, and he was a smart bird. It's actually a 2-year-old. Somebody's educated him around, but it's a great hunt. I was the first one out of the group to finally get the first bird down. It is April 18th, I believe, and this is the first bird we've actually shot. So always good to kill a bird. Hopefully we can get Antonio and Sweetie Pie on one, and put y'all out some more turkey hunting content. Make sure to smash that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you hadn't already, and hit that post notification so you can get notified when we post videos. Hopefully we got some more turkey videos coming for y'all before the end of the season. We'll see y'all next time.